I'm actually very excited right now. It's because I have cooking class today. It's where you can learn how to cook Indian home cooking. It's one of my dreams to learn Indian food in India because I love Indian food. It's gonna be a big day. Okay, this is the venue. こんにちは。
よく来れましたね。
Today we are going to cook the classic masala dosa, not the classic one, but the very healthy one with, and we are going to make two kinds of chutneys. One is the coconut chutney that you all love, and another is the peanut chutney, just in case you can't make coconut chutney at home and you don't get coconut or something is the matter. You can always buy a bag of peanuts and make chutney. So this is my masala box. So in the masala box we have the queen that sits in the center. This is turmeric. Turmeric is antiseptic, antibiotic, reduces internal injuries and sprains and things like that. Very healthy for your skin. Mustard seeds. Mustard seeds can be different colors. In India we use this, and in some parts of India we also get yellow. We have cumin. I think cumin is very universal. You can pass it around. Coriander seeds. They are full of beta carotene and vitamin A and very good for you. Coriander is very, very healthy herb to eat. This is fermented. It looks alive, yeah? It is alive, yeah. It's got a taste even better. When you salt it in the end, the onions don't get the salt and they'll taste sweet.
So it's better or what?
That's the stuffing.
Don't you put it like that?
Like a teaspoon or less than a teaspoon.
It's not.
Coconut chutney means coconut, okay? Don't make coconut chutney without coconut. Raw garlic. Shall we put 2 chilies? We're going to blend it. And 1. I'm going to add all this. And peanuts are very sweet and sticky, so you need to put more chilies.
Yeah, lots of chili.
It is called Tamarindus indica chutney. Ugita bantu. Okay, I'm going to taste it. Good. All these are garam masala. Cinnamon. And nothing goes without cilantro, without coriander leaves.
That's a good little
Coconut, huh?
It's like
And you can start. Take it. Yeah. Round, 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 round. Very good. So it's ready. And you close the Yes, very good. Good. 100. Okay.
Go back and show it to your mother.
we finished the cooking class and now it's time to eat. I'm so excited. Let's eat.
You riding the scooter? Yeah. Walked up, yeah. It's kind of straight.
Shiva.
It was like 30 minutes on a rickshaw from the central Mysore city. It's pretty high hill. The elevation is almost 1,000 meter or something. That's what Google says. Hopefully we can see the nice view from the top. Let's see what's going on in the temple. It's like street has a lot of food vendors and souvenir vendors. It's pretty crowded. It looks like Sensoji Temple in Tokyo.
There's Pikachu, Doraemon here. I didn't know he's very international mascot character, and I'm not sure it has like the permission of copyright. I'm not sure. There's a mascot character of Shibuya. Why are you here, Hachipei? There's another driver, but he has something wrong with his face.
What's your name?
Vishal.
Rishab. Nice to meet you. You?
Shaji.
Shaji. Nice to meet you. Tiger. We're gonna actually put our shoes here. We're gonna go inside with barefoot. We actually have to make a line to get inside of the temple. It looks like pretty crowded, but actually today it's so quiet, as local Indians said. We went to inside and we went under through the temple. It was so fun. Okay. Thank you. And I actually got this bindi. I didn't see any like tourists like us from other countries. Seems like here is one of the popular sacred spots in India or Mysore. Yeah, it was super cool. We are heading back to city, but we just came by the viewpoint. You can see the beautiful scenery of the whole city of Mysore. It's such a beautiful place.